Updating your address with HSBC is a straightforward process that ensures your banking information is current. Follow these steps to complete the update efficiently. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the HSBC website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. This is the quickest way to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to personal information. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Account Services or Profile. Click on it to find the option for updating personal information, including your address. Step 3. Enter your address. In the Personal Information section, locate the address update form. Enter your new address details accurately, ensuring that all fields are filled out correctly. Step 4. Review and confirm. After entering your new address, review the information for any errors. Once confirmed, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding the update. Step 5. Check for confirmation. Monitor your email or online banking notifications for confirmation that your address has been updated. If you do not receive confirmation within a few days, consider contacting customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your address is updated with HSBC, keeping your account information accurate and secure.